Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Minecraft Handshake failure. This error usually happens when your Minecraft version, mod loader like Fabric, or server setup does not match correctly. First, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Also check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. If needed, restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you are using the same version as your server. To check your Fabric version, open your server panel and scroll down to Software and Version. Click on Change for Software, then scroll down until you see Fabric and select it. Here you will find the Fabric version listed for your server. Make sure the exact same Fabric version is installed on both your server and your Minecraft client. If the version is different, select the correct version and apply the changes. Also, make sure the mod pack version matches exactly on both the client and the server. After that, go to your option settings on the left side and make sure the whitelist option is enabled if needed. Finally, restart both your server and Minecraft. In most cases, the Handshake failure is fixed once the Fabric version and mod packs all match correctly. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft Handshake failure by matching versions, checking Fabric under software settings, and syncing the client and server setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.